So, I think I'm streaming. There's only one way to find out. It says starting. Okay. This is going to be my first time doing this, so hopefully it goes well. So I'm going to do this completely unscripted. I just want to show you guys a demo of ThreatLocker with me just playing with it. I was given a demo account, and I have not logged in yet for the first time. I just kind of want you to see what happens. So I've already punched in my username and password. I went to the portal.threatlocker.com. Now I'm just going to click the login here. Sure, I'll save that. Alright, so you'll see there's like literally nothing in here. Last login, never. So I've really never done anything with this. So let's create an organization. I'm going to create this organization here and make it Eastern. Okay. It didn't like that, and I don't know why. Let's refresh. Okay, it did create it, it just didn't like it. Alright, so that was fun. I will create another one here. And I'm still getting that weird error message. But it did create it. So now I'm wondering, do I need to create some groups? And how do I know what group is part of what organization? Okay, so I'll click on this one here and I'll hit manage. And that's how I know who I'm managing. And I said I'm logged in as me on behalf, Labby. Got it. Okay, so computer groups. Guess I could make a group. Desktops. We'll put this in monitor only. I don't know what a good default would be, so I'll make this 300. So 5 minutes. Yeah. So I'll just click on this, and then I can download x64, and it downloaded it. So now I'm going to go into my my Kaseya. And I'm going to make an agent procedure, and I'll just do an installer wizard for an application deploy. I'll put that file in there, upload a file, downloads, ThreatLocker, boom. So ThreatLocker's in there. And I'm not going to rename that as much as I want to, because the string of junk, I'm going to call it, that's after the ThreatLocker underscore, that's essentially like the license key. So that's what tells the software who to link up with. So, I mean, you could essentially rename the application to the new codes, but it's easier to just download the application and get the right code. So we'll call this TL Labby, and can I just drag and drop this? Does that work? Nope, doesn't work. Oh, I didn't realize I had a labyrinth one here. I'll just upload that into here. So there's that. I'll hit next. I'll select the file. This here. I assume /q is quiet. I'll hit next. And I'll do ThreatLocker deploy labby. I'm not too worried about a naming scheme because this is me just playing around, right? So, ThreatLocker deploy labby. I will put this in the software deployment folder because I would expect it there. I'll move to the labby group. I will view online machines and I will run now. So you'll see that's scheduled to run on all of them, like pretty much immediately. And I imagine once I start refreshing this, yeah, we'll see, Jackie already got it. So now we come over to the ThreatLocker portal. We come to computers, and there we go. So now we are able to see exactly what computers are in here. And then I'm going to go to audit, and audit's broken. Sweet. So I can't audit. Reports? Can I look at a report? I don't expect anything to actually be here yet because I don't know. Yeah. So it's installed, and now basically after a few days, I'll want to come in here and I'll want to go to the audit screen. I'm gonna check with Danny like what the heck's going on, but I'll need to go to the audit screen and figure out what applications are running on these computer systems. From there, I could start creating policies that allow those applications. The policies are going to help me do a few things. One, I'll be able to look and figure out what kind of software is this company actually using. Great way to do discovery for new clients or prospects. Sometimes you'll see software that maybe you didn't realize they were licensed for, and you should find out if they actually have a license. Sometimes you'll see that maybe they're not using as many Office 365 premiums as you thought. Maybe there are people that just don't need the extra license because they're not using the software. So you never know what you'll find when you do the audit. You may also find some malware of some sort running on the system already, and you'll be able to get that cleaned up. So that's pretty much it. Like that's all there is to deploying it. I can come in here and I can choose this other organization and manage it, and when I go to computers it doesn't have any in there. I gotta make a new group. Desktops, monitor only, save, click, download. So that's downloaded. And then if we look here, you'll see that it was only showing us the machines that were online. So now let's look at all of them, and I can select the ones that didn't run. Or that were just offline for whatever reason, and I'll hit run now on those. And yeah, so even though I said run now, it will just run the next time that that device checks in. So it's just kind of sitting there waiting, ready. I will make another installer wizard for application deploy. I'm just going to put it in the root because I don't need to do all that. So there's the one that's from the root /q. Next, TL deploy JCD, and there's the TL deploy JCD. And now I would come up here and switch to JCD. Excuse me. I will deselect Dominic's MacBook because that's not going to run, but I will deploy this on all the other ones. And again, it's not going to deploy right now. Kaseya will deploy the next time the device checks in. So that's that. I can come back in a few days and we can kind of look at the audit and see, you know, what we've found. I'm gonna send this video over to Danny and let him know that I'm having issues with the audit. I'm using Chrome on my MacBook Pro, so I don't know. Yeah. Thanks so much, guys. I am going to sign out of here, and let me know if you want me to demo any other software for you. Take care.